Meet Bhanushali, or you can call me Viram Bhadra, whatever name you know me. So, Aao Code Kare was basically founded by me, I can say that. It was it was the time when I used to learn coding. There was an environment for people who used to code. They used to call me a nerd or something like that. They used to see a screen, black, white, and green. And people used to tell me, "तू zeros देखना, तू zero one देखना." So that was the thing. But eventually, when I started winning some coding contests in my college first, later on I went to other colleges. There I did what I had to. In the initial year, my first and second year, I did not win big contests. It was like small contests. It would be like one liner, 5 lines code, 12-line codes, and that would be like freshers beating freshers. That would be not that. That was not so cool, but at a particular end, I used to feel that I don't have a person to guide me. For example, this guy, Aao Code Kare, मेरे आईडी लॉगिन किया इसने, Meet. So he came in first year. I was in third year back then. We went to a hackathon. He was stuck in addition of matrices. You have 3 into 3 matrices. You just have to add it and make a new matrix. And if you see him now, so I'm telling you about the gap that we have between the people that wanna learn code and between the people that have done their own homework on it. This gap can be quickly filled if there is someone guiding you. For example, right now Meet has a AWS practitioner certificate and he is still in his third year. And so you can actually see if I had someone in my first year who would have guided me, I would have also come par with it. But eventually, I'm doing it on my own. So there is a difference between doing it yourself. There is a difference in the mentoring of people. So all that you can see right now, these faces are people who are self-learners who will help you learn because now they have struggled. So they would not want you to struggle, but struggle to learn, not for the resources, right? So I guess that's my time, and